Hello, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to unblock someone on Facebook. So the first step you have to take is to go to your Facebook Messenger. So right here, you're going to see the three lines icon at the bottom. Click on it. So just scroll on settings. So you just scroll and look for privacy. Privacy and safety. So you just scroll, you're going to see blocked account. Just click on it. From here, all you have to do is to click on the particular person you want to unblock and click on the unblock option here. So automatically I have unblocked this person from the list of blocked content I have on my Facebook. If I want to unblock this person, all I have to do is to go back to my Facebook, search from my friends list and click on the block option in order to block the person again. So guys, that is it on how to unblock someone on Facebook. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.